Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be talking about orange oil, how to produce orange oil. But before I go further, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. This will enable you to have access to our videos when they drop. So, today's topic, orange oil. To extract orange oil, we need oranges and we need the peel. Peel the orange and put this in a pot or in a frying pan. In this video, I'll be making use of an oil which has two ingredients already. So this is carrot oil, this is mango oil. So the oil is basically a carrot mango oil, and the major oil, that means the oil I use in extracting it, is coconut oil. Coconut oil is more cheaper and available, so you can make use of coconut oil to make your orange oil. But you can also make use of olive oil, you can make use of sunflower oil, and any carrier oil. Oil has the tendency of absorbing nutrient from fruits like this. So the oil I'm using is not that pure white coconut oil or little brown coconut oil that you're used to. Already I have used it in making carrot oil, and I've also used it in making mango oil, so the color will not be as pure as it should be. Our orange oil should be a little bit green or should be very yellow depending on the fruits you're using, but this does not stop the nutrient from coming in. The only thing is it's gonna be more of 3 oils in one. We'll be having orange oil, we'll be having carrot oil, and we'll be having mango oil in just one oil, and the base oil is also coconut oil. So after doing that, we fry it gently. We don't burn it, we fry it. You see it when it is getting a little bit hard, then you take it off, then sieve it, remove the orange peel from the oil, and make sure you make it cool down before doing this because you might burn your hand, and it can also burn the clothes or burn the container that you're putting it into. We've already extracted our orange oil. Like I said, this is more of 3 oils. It's just a process. I'm just showing you the process of getting orange oil. So when you use a pure coconut oil, you'll be having slight yellow or green color, slight green color, depending on your orange. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are yet to do so. Thank you.